Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I'm doing a really quick, healthy, protein-packed Power Bowl lunch. It's got cottage cheese, raspberries, some dark chocolate with sea salt in it, super seeds, banana. Super easy, it's very healthy, and I feel like it's a pretty filling lunch. I'm going to start with my cottage cheese. I'm going to put all of the ingredients in the description below. And I'm actually pretty hungry today, so I'm doing a little more cottage cheese than normal, but normally I would do about half a cup to 3/4 cup of cottage cheese. And I have some banana slices. One of the fruits I really love with cottage cheese is mango. But today we're doing some raspberries and some bananas. I'm gonna go ahead and just put these right on in. Power bowls are fun. You could do them with like meats, like chicken or salmon, some tuna. I have been traveling all weekend, y'all, eating out a little too much, so I am putting in a lot of the healthy stuff today. I really like to use super seeds in my smoothie bowls and my smoothies. Great way to get some extra protein and fiber in. I am just gonna grab a pinch. It's probably about a tablespoon's worth, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. I'll end up mixing that all in here in just a minute. Unwrap my chocolate. Chocolate's optional, but I love chocolate. I got myself a sweet tooth. I will be sure to link to my lunch recipes playlist. Be sure to check it out because I am always busy and on-the-go mom, and so having easy, mostly healthy lunches that are quick and easy to put together or prepare the night before, always great to have. All right, we have our cottage cheese Power Bowl. Super simple and easy. Thank you all so much for watching. I will have the pin in the description below so you can pin and save this recipe for later as well. See y'all next time.